class 8, let us start with the discussion of the question answers. So the first question for this is, why had Frampton Nuttall come to the rural retreat? Why he has come? Yes. Yes. So yes, it is absolutely right that Frampton Nuttall was suffering from, or he was facing some nervous disorder. He was, in order to relax himself, and even the doctor has advised him, and in order to avoid stress, he has come to rural retreat in order to relax himself. Right? So this answer is absolutely clear to you. The next question is, first is because he was suffering from any kind of nervous disorder. Okay. And in order to relax himself from stress and anxiety, the doctor has advised him to relax and go to countryside. So this is the reason why he has come to rural retreat. Nervous disorder. Yes, beta. He was suffering from nervous disorder. Right? The next question in your books is, why had his sister given him letters of introduction to people living there? Why? Very good, because his sister had stayed there some 4 years ago, and moreover she knew that he is new to this place, or Frampton Nuttall is new to this place, and yes, he would need some acquaintances. Acquaintances means the people he know. He would need some acquaintances there. So this is the reason why she has given him anxiety. So that he could not feel alone there. So that he could not feel alone there. Okay, so this is the reason why he has given him letter of introduction. So the next, is it clear to all? Khyati, notebook covered now? Not covered, this I know. Okay, then cover it by the next time. Next one, the next question is, what had happened to Stapleton's family as narrated by her niece? Yes, there was a tragedy. So, Mrs. Stapleton's niece has played a prank. Okay, prank with Frampton Nuttall. What she has played? She has played a prank with Frampton Nuttall. And what she has said? She told Frampton that her husband and 2 brothers along with the spaniel dog. Yes. Yes. That her husband, 2 brothers and the spaniel dog had gone for hunting some 3 years ago, and they did not come back, and this window, no, they have gone on that morning. She was playing a prank. Okay, they have gone for hunting for 3 years ago, and they did never returned back. They never returned back, and through this window, she is always expecting them to come. Okay, yes, and she is always expecting them to come. And through this window, what happens? She is always expecting them to come. Yes, they would come back. Because when we are using it past, we will use would. Okay? Not will. Right? It's clear now? Fine. This answer is clear? Now, Mumtaz, clear? Next one. Question answers on page number is 60. 60? First question is, what did Mrs. Stapleton say about the open window? Yes, Mrs. Stapleton told Frampton Nuttall that her husband, along with two brothers and spaniel dog, has gone through this window out for hunting, and she was expecting to come through that open window. Almost same. Spaniel dog. That her husband's two brothers and a spaniel dog had gone out for hunting through that window, and she was expecting them to come back through that window. And this is the reason why she was waiting for them.
Ma'am went for hunting.
They went for hunting, and she was expecting that they would come back. Okay, so note down in your own words. Clear this answer? Should I move to the next one? Whatever it is there in the book, you have to do all, right? Huh? Now which I have discussed? Yes. The next question is, the horror on the girl's face made Frampton swing around in the seat. What did he see?
He saw the figures were walking across the lawn towards the window. They carried grass.
Okay. Yes. So the thing is that, just listen to me. The horror on the girl's face made Frampton swung around on his seat as he has seen the three men coming back along with spaniel dog. They were having guns in their hands, and one man was again with white coat on his shoulders. Bertie, I say Bertie. Okay, so you can write down or you can omit it. Okay, so what did he see? That he has seen the three men. Okay, and also mention he was thinking that they were not real men, they were actually ghosts. So this is the reason why he was afraid. He was expecting that these three were ghosts, not real men. Okay, not real one. Right? Clear now? Yes. Okay, fine. Next question is, why did Frampton rush out wildly?
He was shocked and horrified by the many ghosts. He thought that they were all as told by them.
Yes, but we can write down here the last one, that according to Vera, what she said. Okay, why did Frampton rush out wildly? Okay, we can write down this. Very good. He was shocked and horrified by the view of the open window through which he had seen the three men coming along with a spaniel dog. Okay, yes, and he was thinking that these were ghosts, not real men. Okay, he was shocked and horrified. He was shocked and horrified. Why he was shocked and horrified? He was shocked and horrified by the scene which he has seen through the open window. So what he had seen the three men coming along with the dog holding guns, and he thought, very good, and he thought that these were ghosts, not real men.
He saw Lisa's story turn into reality.
Okay, you can also add on. He got panicked, right? Clear now? Please, Vera, she was right. No, she was playing a prank. You were absent yesterday. She was playing a prank just to pass on time. She has played a living prank on Frampton Nuttall. Now, next question. Here it is given in the boxes. Okay. Exercise. Is this story a mystery story? Okay. Sorry. What was the girl's explanation for this light?
He took another story by saying that he had a horror for dogs.
Very good. The girl has cooked up another story that he had faced or he had a horrible experience with dogs once in the cemetery, and when he was attacked by a pack of dogs and he had to spend his entire night in the half dug or newly dug grave. Okay, so this was the explanation. In the last paragraph, we have read that what she has explained, that he had a horrified experience with dogs once in a cemetery. Okay, once in a cemetery, and there he had spent his entire night by hiding himself in a newly dug grave. So she has made another story at that time. Clear now?
Yes.
Very good. Jagjot, clear? He had a horrified experience regarding what? He had a horrified experience that he had spent his entire night, or once he was in cemetery, he was attacked by a pack of dogs. So there he saved himself. How he saved himself? By hiding in a newly dug grave. But actually this was again another story cooked up by the girl. Right? Vera. Now, coming up to the next question, that is the exercise part. Is this a mystery story? Give reasons for your answer. No, this is not a mystery story. No, this is not a mystery story, but actually this is a very good. Very good, very good. Actually, Frampton Nuttall, yes, okay. So this was not exactly a mystery story. This was not a mystery story, but actually what it was a prank played by Vera, or living prank played by Vera on Frampton Nuttall. Okay, she has cooked up a story to horrify him. Okay, what story? To horrify him of Mrs. Sapleton's husband and two brothers who has gone for hunting and they had never come back. She had been waiting for 3 years. But ultimately they had gone out for hunting on that very morning, and Mrs. Sapleton was expecting to come there by evening. So she has related that story through the open window. So this was not a story, mystery story. Actually, it was a prank played by the young girl. So right now, this is again the repetition of what previous we have done. So the next one is, you are familiar with the irony of the situation in the story of the cop and the anthem in class 7. Now, which situations in the open window are good examples of the use of irony? So you know what is irony? What is said is actually opposite to that what is written. What is said or what is expected is the opposite to that of what is written. Write down. Irony of a situation means what is said is opposite to that of what is written. Okay. So here, irony of situation is what is said or what is expected is quite different to that of from what is quite different to what had written. So here, yes, cop and anthem, you remember you have read that chapter. Okay, right. So here irony, how irony is there? So as Frampton Nuttall, who was suffering from nervous disorder, okay, he was sent to countryside. He was advised by the doctor to go to countryside or to rural retreat in order to relax himself, in order to avoid worry. But at that very moment, and as his sister has given him a letter of introduction to meet Mrs. Sapleton, but what happened? Her very first meeting was actually full of anxiety and worry for him, as Vera had played a prank with him, who has told that Mrs. Sapleton is expecting her husband, two brothers, to come from through that open window. Okay, and moreover, he was horrified. He got horrified when he has seen. Yes, very good.
And having guns.
Yes. And yes, and he was horrified to see the three men coming through the open window along with a spaniel dog. So it means that as he has come to relax himself, but this was again added on his trouble and anxiety. He was horrified. So this was actually not at all a relaxing experience for him. This was not at all a relaxing experience. So you will completely justify your answer, what happened and how it was not a relaxing experience. You will give example from the chapter. Yes.
Frampton's sister said that all the people were quite nice, turning out Frampton had the worst day of his life.
Yes, and even her sister has told that there are nice people. Okay, what she said that
There are nice people.
they came into nice division. Okay, they came into nice division. She said so.
Yes.
Okay, she came into nice division means these all were nice people. But actually, what Vera has done was with him was a prank. So it did not come to nice division, or this was not an act shown by nice people. So what this means? This is of course an irony.
Vera told that the Frampton had the one but actually it was not one fear that he saw
Yes, yes, you can also write it. Good. Okay, so I think now the chapter is completely clear. Almost done. Huh? Boys, we have already done. Now the last question is, please see the last question. Which phrases and sentences in the text do you find difficult to understand? Select a few and guess the meaning. So one is masculine habitation. Okay, write it on book. Masculine habitation. Huh? Yes. Masculine habitation. What it means? You write down only phrases, or yes, you can write down sentence also. Masculine habitation, it means that presence of a man in the house. Okay, next one is you can write down. Count with nice division, write down. Count with nice division. What is the meaning of this count with nice division? To be counted.
The people here are nice.
Counted in nice people. Counted in nice people.
and girls in a trashiest piece of work.
Yes. Many are there. Right? So you can write down to. Huh? Please stand up from there.
Word of apologizes.
Stand up, please.
Ma'am, word of apologize.
Go there. Stand there.
Ma'am, word of apologize.
Word of Girl of apologies. So many are there. So 2, 3 I have written. You can write down in the book only and you know the meanings, right? So this is complete discussion of the chapter and all these answers you have to write down in your extra. Yes, this is given in the book.